Okay, this is a quick tutorial for the Dynavin N6-A5. There's some confusion about how to play some of the media that's available in the Dynavin system. So here goes. First of all, you need to have pressed your media button and selected source, and you have to have something plugged into the audio music interface in order for the other Dynavin lead to work. So you've got to have something plugged in that to wake up the AMI active input. So all you do now is touch the screen, go to system, and where it says auxiliary there, at the moment it's playing the Audi music interface, which is this product. If you want to play that product, which is the Dynavin lead, you simply select Dynavin. Now whatever is playing on this lead now will be playing through your Dynavin system. If you want to switch back to Audi, simply press select Audi. Now you've got what's playing on the Audi system. There you go. So I hope that helps a few people. So you've got to have media selected, source for Audi music interface, and then you select on system between Audi and Dynavin. Hope that helps.